Seems to be a little interest in this channel. Figured I'd introduce myself and the boat. This is Reveille, a 1995 Lagoon 37 catamaran. You can see here she took quite a beating in the Bahamas. Before finally being limped back to Florida on 2 temporary outboards. Now she's a full-time project. I started this channel as a way to show my parents in Alaska my progress and what I was up to week to week. But it turns out there is a little interest in watching a regular old blue-collar guy fumble his way toward a retirement dream. I know it doesn't look like it, but a lot of work has already been done, and there's so much more to do. So if you're into hard work, mistakes, and hopefully seeing this boat come back to life, please hit subscribe and let's see where this goes. Thanks for watching.